Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the speaker from the Tesla Model 3, Model S, and the Alpine S series, and the Alpine S series two-way, Infinity Kappa, and then the other brand. So in this video I'm only going to play the music, and then by turning on off the switch, you can determine which speaker has the best quality. So when I turn this on, this speaker will be playing the music, and then when I turn it off, no sound coming from this. So I'm going to play the music from Mike Angels from the other YouTube channel, and which his music is only used for testing the speaker. So here we go now. So I'm going to play the music. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to stop here. So you guys decide which one is better for you, and we are going to make a next series about how to upgrade your Tesla speaker in another video. So if you are interested, just wait for our video, and you can upgrade your speaker by yourself. Thank you.